I've done Paul, John, George, but I haven't done any Ringo. So here's a Ringo tune. Well, Paul and John wrote this one, but Ringo sang it. It's from Yellow Submarine. This is With a Little Help from My Friends. What would you think if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing out of key. Oh, I get by with little help from my friends. I get high with little help from my friends. I'm gonna try with little help from my friends. What do you do when your love is away? Does it worry you to be alone? How do you feel by the end of the day? Are you sad cause you're on your own? No, I get by with little help from my friends. I get high with little help from my friends. I'm gonna try with little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I need somebody to love. Could it be anybody? There we go. I want somebody to love. Would you believe in a love at first sight? Yeah, I'm certain it happens all the time. What do you see when you turn off the light? I couldn't tell you, but I know it's mine. Oh, bye, Paulina. I get by with little help from my friends. There goes my friends. I get high with little help from my friends. I'm gonna try with little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I need somebody to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Oh, I get by with little help from my friends. I get high with little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with little help from my friends. Oh, I get by with little help.